Finding a discontinued hunting rifle is like discovering treasure. These 5 legendary rifles vanished from production but left lasting impressions on hunters everywhere. I managed to acquire one of these rare pieces, and today I'm sharing what makes each model special. From innovative lever actions to reliable bolt guns, these rifles earned their place in hunting history before quietly disappearing from shelves. Number 5. Browning BLR. The Browning BLR represents lever action engineering at its finest. This rifle broke traditional boundaries by chambering modern cartridges in a classic lever design. Hunters appreciated the detachable box magazine system that allowed easy loading and unloading. The aluminum receiver kept weight manageable during long mountain hunts. Browning's rotating bolt head provided strength that older lever designs couldn't match. The exposed hammer gave shooters positive control over firing readiness. Rack and pinion mechanisms delivered smooth cycling that felt refined compared to competitors. Various barrel lengths accommodated different hunting scenarios from dense woods to open country. The BLR handled Magnum cartridges safely where traditional lever guns feared to venture. Woodstocks featured quality checkering and finishing that reflected Browning's attention to detail. Accuracy proved surprisingly good for a lever action platform. The short throw lever allowed rapid follow-up shots when necessary. Steel components showed excellent durability through seasons of hard field use. Trigger pull remained crisp across different production years. Discontinued status makes finding quality examples increasingly challenging for collectors today. Pros: modern cartridge compatibility expanded hunting options significantly. Detachable magazine system simplified loading procedures completely. Aluminum receiver reduced carry weight during extended hunts. Cons: complexity made field repairs difficult without proper tools. Magazine availability became problematic after production ceased. Higher manufacturing costs reflected in secondary market prices. Number 4. Savage Model 99. The Savage Model 99 revolutionized lever action design with its hammerless profile. Rotary magazine technology kept cartridges secure while maintaining streamlined appearance. Hunters valued the solid top receiver that allowed scope mounting decades before it became standard. The brass cartridge counter, visible through the side, showed remaining ammunition at a glance. Savage's design eliminated exposed hammers that caught on brush during careful stalking. Lever throw felt smooth and required minimal effort compared to other actions. Various barrel configurations suited different game and terrain requirements perfectly. The rifle chambered cartridges from small varmint rounds to powerful big game options. Takedown models offered convenient transport for horseback hunters exploring remote territories. Checkering on stocks provided secure grip even with wet gloves during weather changes. Internal mechanisms showed remarkable reliability through decades of regular field use. Steel construction throughout ensured longevity that many examples still demonstrate today. Action remained tight even after firing thousands of rounds over many seasons. The 99 gained legendary status among deer hunters across North America. Finding original parts now requires patience and connections within collector communities. Pros: hammerless design prevented snags in thick cover situations. Solid top receiver enabled scope mounting advantages early. Rotary magazine protected cartridge tips from recoil damage. Cons: internal magazine made unloading tedious compared to detachable systems. Takedown models required careful reassembly to maintain accuracy. Parts scarcity creates maintenance challenges for current owners. Number 3. Winchester Model 88. Winchester's Model 88 brought modern engineering to traditional lever action hunting. The hammerless profile created clean lines that appealed to contemporary shooters. Short stroke lever mechanism allowed faster cycling than longer throw competitors. One-piece stock design improved accuracy potential through better bedding characteristics. The rifle accepted detachable box magazines that simplified ammunition management. Barrel-mounted front sight bases proved stronger than traditional band installations. Checkering patterns showed quality craftsmanship expected from Winchester manufacturing standards. Various chamberings covered everything from varmints to large deer across regions. The action locked up tight with every cycle, providing consistent accuracy. Scope mounting proved straightforward thanks to receiver drilling and tapping. Steel receiver construction ensured durability through years of hard hunting seasons. Trigger mechanisms delivered clean breaks that aided precision shot placement. Extraction and ejection worked reliably even with dirty ammunition or adverse conditions. Wood-to-metal fit demonstrated attention to detail during original production. Discontinued status makes these rifles increasingly sought after by knowledgeable collectors today. Pros: short lever throw enabled rapid follow-up shots. Detachable magazines simplified loading and unloading procedures. One-piece stock improved inherent accuracy potential significantly. Cons: magazine availability declined sharply after production ended. Aluminum receiver versions showed wear faster than steel. Extraction issues developed if maintenance intervals were ignored. Number 2. Ruger M77 Mark II. The Ruger M77 Mark II refined the classic controlled feed bolt action. 3-position safety allowed bolt operation with firing pin locked securely. Integral scope mount bases eliminated need for separate mounting hardware. Controlled round feed extracted reliably even in difficult field conditions. The fixed blade ejector threw spent cases clear consistently. Hammer-forged barrels delivered accuracy that exceeded price point expectations. Steel-bottom metal and trigger guard provided durability through rough handling. Various stock options accommodated different preferences and hunting applications effectively. Red rubber butt pad absorbed recoil without adding excessive length of pull. Receiver was drilled and tapped for standard scope ring mounting. Bolt handle placement allowed smooth operation without interfering with scope positioning. Trigger broke cleanly at reasonable weight straight from factory. Bluing quality protected metal surfaces from environmental exposure during hunts. Checkering on grip areas provided control even with gloved hands. The rifle chambered everything from small varmint rounds to dangerous game cartridges. Pros: controlled feed extraction proved extremely reliable under stress. Integral scope bases simplified mounting and maintained zero. 3-position safety offered excellent operational flexibility. Cons: trigger required aftermarket replacement for precision shooting demands. Stock fit didn't accommodate all body types comfortably. Heavy barrel versions increased weight beyond practical carry limits. Number 1. Remington Model 600. The Remington Model 600 packed full power into a remarkably compact package. Short barrel in action created a lightweight carbine perfect for thick cover. Ventilated rib and front sight provided quick target acquisition capability. Dogleg bolt handle cleared scope objectives that standard handles would strike. Laminated stocks resisted warping better than solid wood during weather changes. The compact dimensions made it ideal for horseback or vehicle transport. Chamberings included powerful cartridges, surprising for such a small rifle. Recoil became noticeable with magnum loads in the lightweight platform. Accuracy remained respectable despite short barrel length and light weight. Metal finish protected surfaces adequately through normal hunting conditions. Trigger pull was acceptable, though not exceptional from factory. Magazine capacity suited hunting regulations across most North American jurisdictions. The distinctive appearance made the 600 instantly recognizable at any distance. Production numbers remained relatively low, making surviving examples increasingly collectible. Original condition rifles command premium prices in today's secondary market. Pros: compact dimensions excelled in tight quarters and dense cover. Lightweight design reduced fatigue during all-day carries. Unique appearance made the rifle memorable and distinctive. Cons: sharp recoil punished shooters with magnum chamberings. Short sight radius made precision iron sight shooting challenging. Limited production created scarcity in current collector market. These discontinued rifles represent innovation and craftsmanship from different eras. Each model solved specific hunting challenges through clever engineering and quality construction. While production has ceased, their legacy continues through the examples still in use today. Collectors and hunters recognize the value these rifles brought to the field. Finding one in good condition requires patience and often considerable investment. The rifle I acquired serves as a reminder of how far firearms design has evolved. Whether you're a collector or hunter, these models deserve recognition for their contributions to sporting rifle development.